Unlock the secret to potentially saving on your car insurance with State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program and their Easy Task Telematics device. First things first, locate the small, discreet State Farm Telematics device. Is designed to be simple to install and shouldn't obstruct your view or driving in any way. Find your car's OBDII port. This is usually located under the steering column. On the driver's side, most cars manufactured after 1996 have one. Now, simply plug the State Farm Telematics device firmly into the OBDII port. It should click into place securely. Once plugged in, the device will begin communicating with your vehicle. Many drivers report a small light on the device will illuminate, indicating it's powered on. Next, download the State Farm mobile app if you haven't already, and log into your account. Within the app, you'll find the Drive Safe and Save section. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to register your new telematics device. This usually involves pairing your device with your account, confirming its serial number, and agreeing to the program terms. Once set up, the Drive Safe and Save program starts monitoring key driving behaviors like mileage, time of day you drive, and braking habits. By driving safely and being mindful of these habits, you can earn discounts on your State Farm auto insurance policy. It's about promoting safer driving and rewarding responsible behavior. The app provides personalized feedback on your driving, helping you identify areas for improvement. Plus, you can track your potential savings in real time. That's it. Simply plug in, register through the app, and start driving smart to potentially lower your insurance costs.